Good day, everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate my AirRam Cordless vacuum cleaner. It's a Bissell and I've had it for a few months and I absolutely love it. You have an adjustable handle here, and let's see here. Turn it on. That's the battery pack right there. And I'm going to do a little demonstration for you. I made a little mess here. I just wanted you to see how it picks up. Look at that. The suction is really good. Never had any problems with it. Look at that. Swivels, and you can lower it, and look at that, it goes right under the couch, right under. This is great. Okay. And now I'm gonna remove it. It's very simple. You just pull it out, okay? And it has a little snap right here. It's a little difficult doing it with one hand. There we go. You just open it, and I'm dumping it back on the carpeting here, just to show you. Very easy to clean. Snap it back in place. This is what you would pull down and it'll empty it. You never have to touch it actually. And I'm going to take it back this way. Alright. Snap it back into place. And it's ready again. Turn it back on. That towel there. Look at that. Pick it all up. Great little vacuum cleaner. This is the charging cord right here. You just plug this up in the socket and you plug it in the back here. You don't even have to remove the battery, but you can if you want. And you just plug that back there, you put in your socket, and you're good to go. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please like and subscribe, and have a blessed day.